Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the right stabilizer for your fabric, cutaway for knits versus tearaway for stable woven material, and trimming it so it extends about 1/2 inch beyond your hoop. Once done, press the garment flat at the iron setting for that fabric. Make sure steam is off if the stabilizer is adhesive. You'll then align and mark center lines on both fabric and stabilizer, because accurate registration prevents puckering and keeps your design centered. Next, hoop your pieces in a sandwich. Stabilizer against the inner hoop and fabric on top, pulling taut without stretching. This supports stitches and prevents distortion. Once hooped, attach it to your machine and load the design, checking needle position and thread tension because those affect stitch appearance. Before committing to the garment, run a test stitch on a scrap with the same stabilizer. Inspect stitch density and underlay. You'll want to adjust tension or density if stitches sink into the stabilizer. Finish by removing the hoop carefully and dealing with excess stabilizer according to type. Tearaway pulls gently away, cutaway is trimmed close to stitches, and water-soluble dissolves per product directions. Then press the embroidered area from the back using a pressing cloth to flatten stitches and set the work. Make sure to avoid ironing adhesive directly. If you see puckering or distorted stitches, re-evaluate hooping and stabilizer choice. Add more stabilizer. Try a finer needle, or use an underlay to distribute stitch tension.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.